Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, one of the original sharks from Shark Tank. There's a new product from MastaPlasta that acts like a Band-Aid in repairing old furniture, leather goods, and vinyl coverings. You gotta see this.
Wow, this is striking. I've never seen it on leather furniture before.
Is that where the dog chewed it or the cat clawed it?
Both, I think. Look at this. That is so stylish and so avant-garde.
And so stained too. I fixed that spot with a MastaPlasta.
A what?
MastaPlasta. It's like a Band-Aid for damaged leather, vinyl, almost any upholstery that's expensive to have fixed. It was easy to do. Just peel and stick. No heat, no tools, no glue, no dyes.
It looks so chic.
It comes in a variety of colors and styles.
Sometimes we just put one on because it looks good, but it's a lifesaver when there's a damaged spot.
You mean like this?
Act now. See them all at etails.com/MastaPlasta.